We're moving into the area of connected healthcare, and when I talk about connected healthcare, it's looking at digitalization, it's looking at innovation, but it's also looking at the connectivity within the supply chain.
One of the challenges now facing the industry is how to move forward for the future. How do they embrace the customers? How do they bring on new technologies, the e-commerce world, digitization, direct-to-patient models? These are all factors that our customers, the pharma industry, need to consider.
It's a really interesting time for the use of technology within the logistics sector. I think the Internet of Things will really start to connect our warehouse and logistics and supply chain operations in a much more different way, much faster flow of information all the way through the supply chain.
As our partners utilize or leverage the Internet of Things, we're really looking for those key aspects that link to our objectives around back to basics, around quality and risk.
Connecting the manufacturers to their customers, there's a vast amount of data that passes through our hands as DHL, and making productive use of that could be really critical going forward.
For me, that means big data management and interacting the platforms that there are, so connecting our data with the data that DHL provides. Means end-to-end visibility in the supply chain, connecting directly to risk mitigation, and then connecting directly to performance.
Bayer, we have a digital supply chain initiatives, and one, for example, we are implementing a global cloud solution for transportation where DHL is going to be connected. We're looking also in other areas to do the same, to be cloud-based, but also to use big data for analytics and do things better.
With innovation, the benefits are plenty. For example, artificial intelligence will speed up clinical trials and research and development by combing through massive data, information and literature, including images, faster than the human brain possibly can.
Specifically to life sciences and healthcare, we know the importance of accuracy linked to regulation, and I think the use of different types of picking technology, the use of automation, helps us to make that supply chain even more accurate and seamless for the consumer.
So, if you want to offer new services to consumers, it doesn't necessarily mean that that's going to increase your cost. And we actually think that digitalization is actually going to allow companies to do both, to reduce cost whilst improving and creating new services for patients and consumers.